Hello, I'm Dr. Gemma Green and I'm co-founder and chairman at Powerledger. I'm a GBBC Ambassador for Australia and I'm currently located in Switzerland. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals holds great importance as they perfectly align with Powerledger's mission of creating markets that eliminate obstacles for 24/7 renewable energy, upholding the fundamental right for energy for all. And we're committed to making energy cleaner and more affordable.
Hello, I'm Sumiran, a passionate GBBC Ambassador for India, currently residing in San Francisco, US. The United Nations SDGs are highly meaningful to me as they provide roadmap for solving complex worldwide issues. I particularly resonate with Goal 11.4, which focuses on the preservation of cultural heritage. Our culture links to our origin, and I'm committed to protecting it for our future generations, enabling them to find purpose in their lives. I'm excited to see the potential of integration of technology into this preservation effort, as it promises to be both impactful and intriguing. Thank you.
My name is Patricia Amobi. I am a GBBC Ambassador for Nigeria. I am currently in Nigeria. The United Nations SDG matter to me because of the important role of SDG in government policy making all over the world, particularly in Nigeria. SDG has been a guide in policies that have impacted Nigerians positively.
Hi, I'm Advit Nath, and I'm a GBBC Ambassador for Canada, located in Rome, Italy. The SDGs that resonate personally with me are SDG 2, Zero Hunger, and 5, Gender Equality. Because we need to live in a world where the almost 1 in 10 people on Earth who are hungry have access to a meal, and that half the world's population of women and girls have a right to live with dignity and the same opportunities to allow everyone to achieve their full potential. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Fatina Zajali from Bank Dhofar. I'm the Global Business Blockchain Council representative here in Muscat, Oman. The SDGs, or the Sustainable Development Goals, are very pertinent to our employees because it allows them to engage for a cause and a purpose, and it allows us as well to explore further markets in the world.
Hi, my name is Alex Hong. I'm a GBBC Ambassador for Southeast Asia, and I'm currently in Singapore. The UN's SDGs matter to me because they are key for ASEAN sustainability ambition. They offer a comprehensive roadmap for addressing poverty, inequality, climate change, and more. With a shared vision among ASEAN member states, the SDGs encourage collaboration, inclusivity, and long-term thinking. By setting measurable targets, fostering multi-stakeholder engagement, the SDG guide ASEAN towards a more equitable, prosperous, and environmentally sustainable future. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Charlie Moore and I'm a GBBC Ambassador for Climate Finance and currently here in New York. Very much looking forward to the General Assembly and upcoming Climate Week. The UN SDGs matter to me because it provides a common framework and points of reference for engaging across industry sectors, roles and borders. They facilitate solutions at the intersection of finance, policy and technology, specifically providing the GBBC with a framework to deliver real solutions.
Greetings, my name is Christopher Light and it's my honor to serve as the GBBC Ambassador to Zimbabwe. I'm based in Washington, D.C. I'm co-founder at a startup called eLivestock Global, which focuses on digital and financial inclusion for smallholder farmers in Africa, 70% of whom are women. So obviously the SDGs are at the core of everything we do. Thank you.
My name is Jackie Cooper. I am the CEO of the Blockchain Legal Institute and also the talk show producer for Crypto Mom 2. I'm the media ambassador for GBBC and I'm located in the United States. The United Nations Sustainability Development Goals are important to me because over 1.4 billion individuals are unbanked and over 1 billion of those individuals live in climate vulnerable countries. We need to do something to support those that are unbanked as well as those that are being impacted by climate change. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kefan Goiri, a GBBC Ambassador to Kenya and currently based in Nairobi. The United Nations SDGs matter to me because they speak to a set of shared problems all over the world and collaborative efforts through structured policies and clear targets in addressing the same. How do we create value for tomorrow through our actions today? I'm cognizant of the fact that Earth is the only habitable planet in the universe. We do not inherit the Earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our grandchildren.
Hi, my name is Lynn Marler, and I am the Global Blockchain Business Council Ambassador for Financial Services within New York City in the United States. I am currently chair of Boston Blockchain Association and co-founder of Women in Digital Assets. The United Nations 17 sustainability goals resonate with me on multiple levels. They align seamlessly with my vision to create a more inclusive, equitable, and environmentally conscious world within digital assets and blockchain. And I thank you for the opportunity.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mariana La Roche. I'm a GBBC Ambassador for Colombia, and I'm based in Berlin, Germany. The SDGs are a critical global objective aiming to address pressing challenges, and they provide us with a roadmap for creating a sustainable and equitable world by 2030, and also allow us to align industry priorities and new technologies such as blockchain and AI to find solutions to address in a faster and efficient manner challenges that we have not been able to solve, such as poverty, inequality, and climate change. Hence, this is really important because it presents, for the first time after the Millennium Goals, a global framework to align actions across industries. I hope you have an enriching afternoon, and thank you for the opportunity to speak here.
Hi, my name is Ron Kravchuk, serving as the GBBC Ambassador for Green Economy in Ukraine and Singapore, and also the CEO of technology company Foraker Solutions. I deeply understand the crucial impact of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals on our global future. These goals reflect wisdom and timeless principles that resonate with values found deep in our shared human heritage, pushing us towards a sustainable, fair, and harmonious future. Harnessing the power of blockchain technology, we can build the digital economic platforms that embody these principles, shaping a balanced world.
My name is Rosa Estela. I'm the GBBC Ambassador of Peru, currently located in Peru. And the United Nations SDGs matter to me because they perfectly align with the Silver Passport mission, which is to digitalize the wisdom of seniors in Latin America, create bonding across generations, and foster cultural heritage.
Hello, my name is Sim Kela, and I am proudly the Indonesian ambassador to the GBBC. And the United Nations SDGs are not just goals, they are a roadmap to a brighter future for our kids. They are solving the biggest issues that humanity is facing and allowing a global network of impact-driven individuals to work on that. And that is priceless.
Hi, my name is Youssef Benzgir, and I'm the GBBC Ambassador for Casablanca, Morocco. United Nations SDG matter to me because it's important for social development. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Aisha Mohammed Oyebode, and I'm a GBBC Ambassador for Nigeria, and I'm currently in Nigeria. The United Nations SDGs are significant because they align with the core values of the organization I head, the Murtala Muhammad Foundation. They offer a global blueprint that directs our endeavors to safeguard vulnerable groups, most especially women and children impacted by terrorism and conflict.
Hi, my name is Dr. Alex Kahana, and I am the GBBC Ambassador for Sub-Saharan Africa. I commute between Nairobi, Kenya, Abidjan, Cote d'Ivoire, and New York City. The UN SDGs matter to me because it provides the necessary framework to create inclusive, sustainable smart cities for the urban communities of tomorrow.
Hi, my name is Mariana Polkrati, and I am one of the 2 GBBC ambassadors in Greece. I'm located in Athens, and I am the group treasurer of Avramar and a member of the Hellenic Association of Treasurers. The United Nations SDGs matter to me because they have been designed to impact and improve each aspect of everyone's lives. Living in a world of rapid changes, high uncertainty, and volatility, it is important to set the building blocks to secure the well-being of every life on this planet, so to leave the world not only the same, but even better for the following generations. Though the first steps have been taken by the governments and businesses, it is equally important for every single one of us to step up and bring awareness to what SDGs are and how each one of us can by himself incorporate it in our daily lives. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nabil Ahmed and I am a GBBC Ambassador for Pakistan, and I'm currently in Pakistan. The United Nations SDGs matter to me because UN SDGs outline a roadmap for global development, reflecting GBBC dedication to contribute and make a positive impact on society.
Hi, my name is Neil Cohn. I'm a co-founder of CodeGreen.org and a GBBC Ambassador for Environment and Sustainability. I'm currently in Taiwan with my co-founders Dr. Harry Xu and Shui Sing Tong, and several of our dedicated team of software engineers. We've come together to develop decentralized solutions that scale authentic collaboration to achieve the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. The SDGs matter to us because they're a roadmap to a better future. We are proud to be part of the GBBC community that is building advanced blockchain technologies that are inclusive and designed with intention to solve the climate crisis and empower global prosperity.
My name is Tony Lianlan. I am a GBBC Ambassador for Mauritius, and I'm currently in France. The United Nations SDGs matter to me because it serves as a compass for all of my work. It is also much easily understood than the Millennium Development Goals, and we can all align ourselves to and work together for achievement of the same.